Hello everyone, my name is Hope. I'm coming to transplant coffee seedling. This is our coffee seedling and the variety is Robusta coffee. And then the watering can is water, which I'm going to use for watering the plant. And then in the sack here is organic fertilizer or organic manure. The role of the organic manure is that it has high organic matter content and it has high water retention capacity, and it contains macro and micronutrients as well. And then before you transplant your coffee seedling, after your holes are ready, the spacing for the coffee is 3 meters by 3 meters. And then when your holes are ready, you put organic fertilizer or organic manure, 2 kilograms per hole. But for you to know 2 kilograms per hole using a cup, you measure it above the cup like this, not full. It has not to be full. 9 cups like this will give you 2 kilograms of the organic manure. Then you will put it into your hole. You put 3 cups into the hole and then 6 cups around the plant after planting. So I'm going to demonstrate it practically. This is our first cup in the hole. This is the second one. Then the third cup. After that, you put topsoil. The soil that is around the plant here, you put topsoil slightly so that the root of the plant is not in direct contact with the organic manure, because if it has not been fully decomposed, it can easily burn the plant. You put the soil. After putting the soil, you add water. After adding water, then you get your seedling. And you don't plant with the planting bag. You take the planting pot or bag away. So this is my seedling. I'm going to put it in the middle of my hole or in the center of my hole. Like this. As you're planting, the base of the plant or of the seedling has to be above. It has not to be. Don't cover it completely with soil, because if you cover it completely with soil, the plant can easily be affected by cholera rods. After planting, you now get your remaining 6 cups of the organic fertilizer or manure. This one is the last one. 6. And then you will spread it around the plant. Like I said, the manure has not to be in direct contact with the plant. Then you add another water. After adding water, you're done with your planting. Thank you so much.